Sometimes you will get a proportion where you're trying to solve for the missing part and you have to scale down instead of scale up. For example, we have 3 people to 9 granola bars. So how many people is that for 3 granola bars? Well, since we went down here, I can see that 9 divided by 3 gives us this 3. So I need to say 3 divided by 3, okay, well that equals 1. So that means that if I have 3 people to every 9 granola bars, that's equal to 1 person for every 3 granola bars. That means that each person would get 3 granola bars.